Welcome to AI for Beginners, Primary School Edition. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of AI. Let's start with a fun warm-up activity to get our brains ready for AI. We'll play a game called Guess the Rule to understand patterns and algorithms. Now, let's dive into the world of AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it's like giving computers the power to think and learn similar to humans. AI is already a part of our daily lives, from virtual assistants on our phones to self-driving cars. AI can help doctors diagnose illnesses and even play games like chess better than humans. So, how does AI learn? It's a bit like teaching your pet tricks, but with computers. AI learns by analyzing data, finding patterns, and making predictions. It's like a super fast learner. Now, let's get hands-on with AI. We'll build our own simple AI models using online tools or coding blocks. Let your creativity soar as you build and train your AI models. AI should always be used for good, so it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. We need to make sure AI respects our privacy and treats everyone fairly. AI opens a world of exciting career opportunities. Meet inspiring AI professionals and learn about their journeys. Now, it's your turn. Ask any questions you have about AI. Let's recap the key concepts of AI and explore how it can impact your lives.